Hey everyone, adding weight to my pack. I made a pot cozy for my cook system. Made that all by myself. See how this works. Got the Argo Titanium Bot 700. And the cozy. There's plenty of instructions online if you want to make one. It's actually pretty substantial. And it's got a lid. It goes right down over it. Cook your food. And the weight, let's get this right there. That's showing up. 1.2 ounces. So yeah, that's pretty cool. One other thing. I made a windscreen for the mic on my headset. And what I did, I took a lapel microphone windscreen. You can buy these on Amazon. In fact, if I can figure out how, I'll put a link in the description, but haven't been able to figure that out yet. But anyways, what I did, I took the windscreen and I made a slice in it right down here. And I opened it up kind of like a clamshell, slipped it over the wire, and then you can see, took some of this super glue and glued it back together. So it's on there permanently. And what it does is it slides up and down the wire. So you can slide it up to expose the controls, your volume up and down, but you can slide it down over here and get a little wind protection on your microphone. So I thought you might want to see that too. All right, guys, it's getting close now. I think it's 27, 26 days. So see you guys out there. Let's check and see how well this windscreen actually works. This is without. And this is with.